Looking for a reliable, secure, and user-friendly operating system? Mint Linux LTS version might just be the answer. In this in-depth review, we'll explore its seamless installation process, powerful performance, and robust security features. Mint Linux is designed to be intuitive, fast, and efficient. Built on a solid Linux foundation, it offers an easy-to-use interface that even beginners can navigate effortlessly. But what does LTS mean? Long-term support. This ensures stability, security updates, and reliability for years, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. Mint Linux LTS stands out with its dual architecture DVD. This disk can automatically detect whether your computer needs a 32-bit or 64-bit version, ensuring maximum compatibility without any technical hassle. Just insert, boot, and let it do the work. The Mint Linux desktop is clean, modern, and fully customizable. Whether you prefer dark mode, unique themes, or a minimal layout, the OS lets you tweak it to match your style. Plus, say goodbye to random system crashes. This OS is built for stability. Worried about installation? Don't be. Mint Linux LTS makes it easy. Just insert the DVD, follow the prompts, and in no time, you'll have a fully functional operating system. It's that simple. No complex commands, no headaches. The dual architecture DVD ensures that you have the right version for your machine, making compatibility a breeze. Whether you're using an older machine or a new one, Mint Linux LTS adapts seamlessly, providing a smooth experience from the get-go. Customization is a breeze with Mint Linux. You have full control over icons, widgets, and desktop layouts, allowing you to create a personalized environment that suits your needs. And if you ever have questions, the Mint Linux community is one of the friendliest tech groups online. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or customizing your OS, you'll find thousands of helpful users ready to assist. The community support enhances the overall experience, making it easy to solve problems and learn new tips. Mint Linux delivers smooth and fast performance, even on older machines. Whether you're editing photos, browsing the web, or working on documents, applications run effortlessly. The built-in software manager makes installing new programs a breeze, offering a wide range of applications at your fingertips. With its efficient resource management, Mint Linux ensures that your system runs optimally, providing a responsive and enjoyable user experience every time. Security is a top priority in Mint Linux LTS. With regular updates, built-in firewalls, and encrypted file protection, your data stays safe. So, is Mint Linux LTS worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for a stable, secure, and customizable operating system, Mint Linux LTS is a fantastic choice. Try it today and experience the power of Linux in a user-friendly package. Ready to switch to Mint Linux LTS? Learn more in the description below.